the moan, and you can do the grunting. Someone just joined at that exact moment.
Like, what is going on over here?
Just immediately went to the X.
No.
Sorry, I just wanted to give you like a live musical intro to this episode. It was me on the recorder. Never use that clip or I'll strike you for copyright. Enjoy your golf, everyone! Have a good time playing...
Have a good time playing golf!
Why did I do that noise?
The cult worships Jim Pickens.
Jim Pickens. Oh no, LMFAO.
Testing. Okay. That's good.
Testing.
Oh, that sounds awful.
Du und dein Baby spielen Gamensnamen mit Mama und mir als 50 lustigen Babysitten spielen.
Okay, so level 1. We'll do a level 1, and it should sound like... Meow. And a level 2 should be... Meow. A level 3... Oh god, that sounds awful. Everyone in the chat was asking for it, but now you don't want it anymore, but it's too late.
Hey Elmo, you want to come to Cookie World and learn about numbers? You plus me.
I don't think this is Cookie World. I think we've gone into the sewer system.
Find all the number 7.
Okay, we gotta collect some 7s. I'm afraid of 7s though, cause 7, 8, 9. It's highbrow humor. You might not get it. Don't expose yourself to the camera, Elmo. What is wrong with this game? It's very inappropriate.
Count out tonight's be too money, like.
Time for a story. What's this? Horses approaching your village. They probably bring wine and reruns of Friends on box set. What a joyous day for the village.
Those aren't traitors. These are raiders.
Oh no. What's that screaming? Oh no. They're coming to kill you and your family, and your entire village will be burnt down. What are you gonna do? Are you relaxed yet? Can you hear the screaming?
Oh, hello. Stuart Little was a renowned moonshine peddler out west, but he hasn't been heard of in minutes. His name sends shivers down your spine. I can't decide whether you should live or die, or you'll probably go to heaven. Please don't hang your head and cry. I wonder why my heart feels dead inside. Cold and hard and petrified. Lock the doors and close the blinds. You're going for a ride. How did I even do that?
I'm gonna give you a week.
A week.
Okay? I wanna give you space.
Feckin' dedos de mantequilla. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm ready.
Ooh. Ooh. Look anywhere else except for him. Why is my water jet so small? Hermione's gonna think I'm a loser. Ooh. 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 Ireland. Everyone in the club went nuts. Not bad. Whoa, I'm good at this.
Nice.
Play video games to distract myself. Ooh, I'm gonna get a soggy piece of paper mache in the mail.
Hey! You call me an Austin!
to set up the next game mode now. And we should have good old fun. So if you want to join in, get ready to join the game. I'll set up the job. And I'll put it on closed until I invite Max in. But then, you can join. So be ready. Okay. San Rio Child, thank you very much for the bits. I appreciate it.
Community as well for bees.
I just like how moaning is like a bear sound. Like you're out in the woods and you just hear, like, oh, it's a bear.
Well, that's what it
Better
is.
be careful. Ooh.
Water here in Blackrock and Salt Hill, both today and yesterday.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Open the case.
Oh, go feck yourself, 14. This is the terrifying David Hasselhoff that you need to plant seeds inside him. How do you actually do it? I just want to plant my seed in David Hasselhoff, but I'm not sure of the actual... how of the process. I assume you put it inside him and then you get it all wet in there and then it should be good. No? No, 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 no. No. No, no. Okay. No. Alright, so... no, okay, well... oh my god, we have a special guest calling into the stream today! Top of the morning to you, laddies! He's much smaller in person. It's like there's a glow around him now, like some holy figure or something. Okay, there we go. Wait, there's echo? What do you, Echo is here? I don't understand. What do you mean Echo? Wait, is its name Echo? Did we call it Echo? I can't remember. My attention span doesn't go beyond like, you know, 3 minutes. Never mind 3 weeks. Ah, they're using the Joker trailer mixed in with Indian Joker. This is fantastic. Oh, this is not fantastic. Oh no, they even brought in the music. No, not that one. I don't want to see that. Jesus Christ. How does he pull that face? It looks worse than any custom character I've ever made, and that's genuinely impressive. This is calming. Oh. Ah, that's nice. I love video games that put you on hold. Ah, yes. Hold music. My second favorite genre. Only second to royalty-free music. Yeah, that's me. 1 second.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Okay, I am.
All hell, the great leader Pickens.
OMG,
My job is done. Ah! Ah! Why is that the game's little image? Wait for it. Oof. Oof.
A bean!
Look! 3! It's the color 3! Whoa, 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 wait, I'm driving the boat and fishing at the same time? I couldn't even pick carrots. This seems a bit beyond my pay grade. I barely edited the, oh my god, the last verse. Go, Jim! Yay! Everyone's in!
I love killing, it's just a way of living, just having fun. When in my hands there is a gun baby, let's make a justice. Somewhere.
Oh no!
Watching the sun go down. Hope this one lasts forever with you in my arms.
That is the most cursed shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh, brilliant. Like, this last verse was pretty much the same. It was just you and me, somewhere all alone, watching the sun go down. I hope this lasts forever with you in my arms. What about Ron magic offered Ron? It's like you're facing Voldemort and you just can't beat him and he's off the sidelines like,
Have you tried Ron Magic? No, Ron Magic is never helpful. Ever. To Harry, Ron was a loud, slow, and soft bird. Harry did not like to think about birds. So I'm gonna feed him some jelly. Oh my god, he really likes jelly! Oh my god, he loves jelly! Or maybe he just has all this energy from being locked in a cage all the time. Keep it up. Really? Pick up the pace? Okay, wait, no, this is actually easier. I don't like holding it. It was taking so long. Okay, great. It's like I'm a camera shy or something. I keep going to hide behind the mic. Evil laugh coming up. I don't think I was supposed to look away. It was like something that Ross from Friends would play.
Alright, it is time to say those 8 magic words. I am not smarter than a 5th grader.
There's a lot of bread in your ears. Oh, that doesn't look good at all on the wavelength. Let's just make sure that we get each and every crumb. Do you think that anyone is actually, like, non-ironically enjoying this? Because I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, all things considered. Hi.
Must warn you, never use your wand against a peacock. You might hurt yourself.
Well, god damn it. I've changed my mind. I would like to, I'd like to get my prize in change, please, so it'll appear like it's more substantial.
Oh god, it's desperate because the mountains is brave and close now, right now.
It's you and me, George.
Look at that, my dodge is getting good. No, don't take screenshots. What is going on? Stop! Stop! Die, you fecker! Oh, I think we found Jeff's face. At least I think it's him. I don't know. They're hard to... Okay, yeah, that's him.
I am the Dark Lord, Jim Pickens. I've come to wreak havoc and terror on this miserable little world.
I wonder what a turd yawn would sound like. I imagine it's like a foghorn. Where is Vin Diesel? Please. Vous, Tiganip, Licker, Chigerklop, Va-vous, VNX, like a bridge. And then I said to him, I said, Thor Ragnarok, more like Boar Ragnarok. Why is no one watching? What? He's taking out a gun and he's aiming it at himself. Yes, what a shot. Let's get a replay on.
But sometimes when he gets...
I don't know how to act that one out.
Yeah.
The poor guy! How can you work with this? It's Pink. Let us kill Pink and rejoice. This is not a Christian server. This is just a cult server. Well, there goes Pink. Everyone except for one who voted for Brown. I wonder who that was. What the hell is this? A body?
He was poor.
Alright, well, that's a bit feckin' judgmental. Have some respect for the dead, goddamn. Sorry, this music just seems really uncomfortable to me for some reason, and I wanted to make the situation even more uncomfortable for the intro. But it's actually a very serious situation today, because I have a bit of an announcement to make. It's like me to kind of, I guess, make it kind of funny or whatever at the start and deal with things with humor. But I have a bit of a thing I wanted to tell you guys, that I don't know what numbers are. I've always only been able to count to G, so we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna try to learn numbers, and I'm hoping you'll support me by dropping a fat like in the comments.
Oh god. Not only do I hate that sentence, but I said it at the start of the video as well, which is just awful. Look at that face. Every 60 seconds you don't subscribe is another wasted minute. Just subscribe to him.
But don't worry, I've got an amazing finale lined up that we can do together. But before we do that, I think I'll quickly run to the bathroom. And you know what? I'll bring you with me. Let's go. That sure was relaxing.
Hello. I feel pretty empowered right now. Oh yeah. Oh no, this is... Oh, this is great. Oh my god, is this what it feels like to be a strong, powerful woman? I think it does. Are you getting like strong, powerful woman vibes? Because I think I am. Yeah, I am. Okay. Alright. Okay. I am feeling so powerful right now. Yeah, this felt right. Oh, if you think that's bad, get ready for the rest.
Thanks for watching. There's nothing left. So I hope you enjoyed. Now I'll hide the time and I will see you again. And you come back and laugh with me. Please like and subscribe. This is all I have. That's with not say bye.
Let's get started. Really completes the ensemble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lose next turn. Well, shit, I'm already losing. But that means I'm also winning. Oh, I'm a weird man. You can do stuff, you know, with just your body, like say dabs. I usually do about 10 reps in 3 sets. That's gonna be a horrible gif somewhere. It just doesn't feel the same. Let's go! What? Is it just lagging? Oh, this is cursed. Oh my god. This is the part I turn off the TV. Oh my god, they're running at us. Everybody get down. This is terrifying. This is something from a nightmare.
Foxworthy.
No, we're not watching that. Look at him just skulking around. He's not very good at hiding, is he? What are you doing? Okay, maybe STDs are the answer. You don't have energy and you have a mild fever. Perfect. Just drink a smoothie. It'll sort itself out. Yes! Yes! Okay, STDs killed. Destiny is to die. I can hear someone inside. Doesn't sound like her. I'm going in. Good luck. That's what I'm going with. Go on in. He's like, something's wrong. There was this voice or a sound. Oh, I'm recording this. Must be Toby.
That's him. The Constant. Providence's top controller. Everything depends on capturing him alive.
Oh, that's not my job. I'm a hitman, not a save man. Oh boy, I'm funny. Golly gee. Oh, these look priceless.
You, where do you think you're going?
They're part of the gift bag. Get out of here.
Can anyone please? Hey,
No, they're mine. Get out of here. They're my eggs. You'll never get them back. Oh god, I'll break them all before you can have them back. There we go. That's your last egg. You can kill me now if you want, but you'll never get your eggs back.
Sir, hope you're well.
I'm not too bad. Yeah, I'm just taking this to the Olympics. Yeah, I've been chosen to run the torch this year.
I think it would help if I watched the scene first, but I prefer spontaneity, you know? This is how Brando would have done it.
You spend time with your family. I want to make him an offer he cannot refuse.
This is a good one. Watch this.
You spend time with your family.
Sure I do.
Right, because a man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Come here.
Just noises.
I want to make him an offer he cannot refuse.
You cut off the end because I was too slow. Your movement was great. Concentrate on the script and you will steal the scene. It's like, we like the way you move, but you're missing like half the words, so that is a problem.
I did exactly what you told me. I hit him in the balls as much as I could.
Name a yellow fruit.
Orange. Oh, no. Alright. Napkin. A glass. Shit. Oh, there should be like a villain that's stealing people's faces and they get on butterflies and then you've got to go through the villages and you've got to defeat the butterflies and then their faces go back onto the original villagers. Yes, that's a great idea.
You know, I bet I could use Tic Tacs as roll-on deodorant.
Okay, maybe I should try not to think. President Nixon.
Let's see if you're a match for these beautiful beasts.
Sneeze on me, please. I'm really into it. Come on, sneeze. Sneeze. Oh, yeah, come on. This is so disturbing. Did I get it? No? Dude, what the hell are you doing? We asked you to spray paint a few walls and you smushed 3 students with a steamroller? Oh my god, this baby has no interest in politics. I think it's broken. Yippee! Dude, that's not even half, Dahi. Give me the potato.
I made a grill. I put a potato on it. All hail potato!
Oh.
All hail potato! Top of the morning, how's it going? Top of the morning.
It took us less than a day to start worshipping a potato on the raft.
Alright,
what the hell is that? That's Jesus! Oh my god! I saw it coming. There was something like flying towards me. It's just like, is that Jesus? I just see the rocket flying towards me. What the hell is this? It's a bot. Alright, well, it's clearly not my shining personality. It must be another reason.
I
can just talk quieter.
Why is Kevin loud? That's the real question. Alright, turn down the game a bit. He's fine.
For the scene, just respond,
I think this is gonna-
This has never been performed before. Oh, he looks determined. The kiss of death, everybody. Oh, he embraced it. He likes that. Well, at least he went out on a high. He's just out here waiting for him. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is, attractive. Let me give you some extra health. And it just comes at my forehead and starts etching in another scar. I know this is where you get your powers, Harry.
Hello, precious. Don't you look pretty today?
Yeah, I'd only look prettier if I was William Dafoe. I can't stop thinking about William Dafoe.
Kathleen is next door, and she has the same cards as you. And we're gonna get her to choose one and see if you can tell us which one she chose.
I'm attacking Kathleen over here. Feckin' Kathleen. Take your bag with you. Get out of here, Kathleen.
I'm sorry. I'm done.
No, come here. Come on, Kathleen. What are you, scared? Feck you, Kathleen.
You have to stop now, Jody.
No, I'll never stop. Screw Kathleen. I know. I'm sorry, Jody. You don't have any control over me. I do what I want. I'm coming to kill you, Kathleen, and no one can stop me. Smash the windows. This all counts as you smashing them, Kathleen. 7 years of bad luck. I don't think anything will match the bad luck you got of being in here with me, though. Please. Fecking kill her. Can I kill her? Kill her. Kill. Kill Kathleen. Kill. Oh, for feck's sake. Oh, wait. No, they went into her. Okay. She's dead, Jody. She's gone. I don't suppose this will work, will it? Oh. Well,
That's Madame Carlyle.
yep. That was the first and last time I've seen her. I like how they're introducing her as I'm killing her. I guess it's okay. Yeah, just slurp it. Thanks for subtitling that for me, by the way. Video games. Well, I kind of have to go with that one, but first I have to say Instagram pimp, of course. You know, him being him.
Well, they call me the Instagram pimp.
Who? Who? Is that you? Is that literally your username? It's like, oh, they call me Instagram pimp, but that's because I set my name that way, so they have to. I get emails every day from Instagram. Hey, Instagram pimp, we have a newsletter for you.
That's my job. Many monies.
You know, it's exploitation,
yeah.
And I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Yes! She got the best ending!
I thought girls liked Instagram these days.
I don't think it was Instagram that was the issue. I should have never said Instagram. If I said I'm the Facebook pimp, everything would have been fine.
Why doesn't Jody give us a demonstration of her super mega powers?
Who wants to be choked down?
All right then. So, what are you gonna do, Jody?
They're like, oh, you gonna bend a spoon or something? I just begin my massacre. All right, where? Him. Target him. No, for feck's sake, target him. Break all their shit. That'll show them. Blow out their candles. Ruin the atmosphere.
Actually, the cake can wait. I'm opening my gifts first.
Oh no. Don't open my gift.
A thong! Just exactly what I needed.
Oh, for feck's sake. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad. If that's the kind of gift she wants. And I got her that book.
An old book. It's a really rare collection. Poems by Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan who?
What, did you steal this from your grandpa's library?
Oh my god, they're such like typical dickheads.
Just like your dress.
Oh, you bitch. Aiden, come on, choke him.
No, seriously, is this a joke? I can't believe you came all the way to my birthday party just to give me this old crap.
What the hell? It's a gift. Oh my god, I want to murder them all.
But she's just a little lab rat. A freaky little lab rat.
What is this? Why do they all turn on me?
She's been following me around like a puppy all week.
Okay, feck you. Can we actually kill them all?
What do you do with witches? You burn them.
Oh my god, what the hell? How did this escalate so much? Okay, this is the one time I'm actually gonna do the quick time events. Oh my god, these people are monsters. I can't believe they Harry Pottered me.
Wake up, cousin! We're going to the zoo!
I hate them so much. Like, all this time, I thought it was Kathleen. But these are the real villains. Unless Kathleen is the mastermind behind this plot, which is entirely possible. I wouldn't put anything past her. Yes! Okay, good, I can control him again. Revenge. Revenge. Yes, that's what I like to see.
Go, Aiden.
Yes! Let me at him! Yeah, here's your feckin' cake. Feck off! I don't know why you picked a fight with a person who just demonstrated they have magical abilities.
The door, it won't open.
Oh, shoes on the other foot now all of a sudden. You find yourself locked in there, do you? Isn't that interesting?
They're locked!
Well, would you look at that? Everything appears to be locked. Isn't that funny? I'm just trying to relate to you. Just trying to do similar pranks that you did to me. The only thing better than that royalty-free music song is the sounds of your screaming. I may be taking this a little too personally. I like how she's like, who did that? Like, who's the one person in the house who can magically move objects using their mind?
Enough, I think they got the message.
I think they got the message, she said. Oh, they got the message, alright. But that's not why I'm here. He does
talk to you.
Okay, 1 second. Alright, ignore that bang, guys. Just mechanic stuff. Talk about a panic kill. Alright, let's do some work to our tires. Don't worry, these new wheels are treated by the best mechanic that just walked in unannounced. Oh shit!
Target down.
Alright, that was spectacular. I don't know was it as spectacular as the other two I killed, but it was spectacular.
It's your bid. Looking for 9.
Oh god, they're going up to 8 million. She keeps bidding and the guy is saying to stop. I'm just gonna let her keep bidding. There we go, 9 million. I'll write you an IOU.
Are you out of your 10 we have, we're at...
Nah, feckin' pocket change, 10 million. Wait, could you just give me a break? Oh, it's the younglings. Oh, Jesus. Not the younglings. Oh my god, even a single thigh of mine are bigger than them. Younglings, don't even try and fight back. Finally answer the age-old question of how many children could I beat up at once? I know we're all thinking it. And you see, children are stupid, so it really shouldn't be that hard. They're just kind of walking to their death. Oh! Oh my god, that poor kid! Oh, that felt so cool. I can beat up so many kids. This is going on the resume. The thing is, they can only really hit my legs and they're pretty much invulnerable. My legs are basically bulletproof. They're everything proof. Like, they're so thick. There's so much meat to protect them. I've grabbed this rope. Can it support my weight? It somehow can. Oh my god, I'm like flying. Kids, did you see that? Oh no, you're all dead. Sorry, I forgot. All right, Emperor, it's all done. The kids are dead. Oh wait, except for this one. Sorry, Emperor. I'm on it. Don't worry. Oh my god, they're using their pretzel defense, just tying themselves up in knots. There you go. See? It was an accident.
I don't suppose it was a moose that climbed all those ladders, was it? Again, possibly a moose? Oh god. No, let's just stay here. Oh, the phone. It's for you, Emily. She's still hanging on. She's a trooper. Sorry, man. It was just too awkward that we were wearing the same clothes. It would have just been embarrassing. I could just kill him now, but is that a bit lackluster? Should I do something cool?
I remember the first time I had a blueberry muffin.
Oh, I don't know if I can stand this old man's tales. I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't keep listening to him rambling. Place food, fish. There we go. That's my calling card. Wait, what? How did it? Oh, it's sushi now. Okay, fair enough. Everyone in this house is either dead or knocked out except for that one guy. And he doesn't seem to realize anything is up. He's not the best bodyguard I've ever seen.
Pumpkin.
Love is a burning thing. And it makes a fiery ring. Bound. Oh, I was kicked from the stage, but I'm still up here. Anyway, love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring.
Hey, Kevin.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I fell down, 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 and the flames went higher.
Yo, bro, get the fuck off, man.
I keep telling you I can't get off the stage.
Yo, leave the room then.
I did, and then it was full. And look, they're trying to kick me. My screen is getting spammed with "you were kicked off the stage" by the room admin. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring.
Shut the fuck up, please.
Bound by a wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. So, what are your favorite parts about being Korean? Oh god, I've officially lost the crowd.
He goes, oh, don't worry, I already have this game.
Yeah, well, I do.
Yeah, I know you have the game, but you don't know how to play it just yet, do
Look,
you?
I obviously have the game if I'm playing it with you now. How could I not?
I didn't say you didn't have it. I said you do not know how to fucking play it.
Okay, I'm going to protect you. Get back here and let me protect you.
Telling them you're just watching them.
I'm going to run to their spawn and put down my tactical insertion. And then hopefully I'll get like a lot of kills next
Kevin, it doesn't
round.
work like that.
As a test, I'm going to run to the bathroom and see how you get on without me.
I hear the door closing. Okay, guys,
He's gone.
We got 5 minutes without Kevin, and we've 5 minutes to do this.
We gotta go quick, lads.
Quick. All right, go. Quickly,
What do we need?
before Kevin gets back. We need all of this stuff.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Hold on
Leave
here.
it in the lobby.
How's it doing without me?
Kevin,
You're not
go
back.
back. Go back to the toilet.
Go toilet
It's weird,
again.
there's like no progress made. What the hell?
No.
Wash your fucking hands,
No,
Kevin.
you didn't wash
This
your
is
hands, Kevin.
fucking
Go back.
chaos.
I can see the feces on your hand.
I like it
Kevin.
that way.
You've no
The
idea
place
how
looks
much
like a
better society
stage.
is.
So I recently went to the cinema, and I saw a new movie out. It was called The Pacifier with Vin Diesel.
That's not new.
What?
That's not new.
Shut up. Okay, well anyway, I went to see Vin Diesel, The Pacifier. And I said, The Pacifier? More like Boar Ragnarok. Am I right, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
More like Ragnarok. More like Ragnarok. More like Ragnarok.